Hi folks, we are in Prime Sale. Let's see what new products Mohammed has for us. Wow, iPhone cases, Google Pixel cases, Samsung cases. Good to see lots of new phone cases. If you are looking to buy phone cases, then surely visit Prime Sale. Located at International Village Mall, 88 West Pender Street, Unit 119, Vancouver. Also, while talking with Mohammed, we came to know that they also started to keep laptops. Let's check out. If you are looking to buy cheap laptops, then surely visit Prime Sale. And lastly, let's check the phones. Good to see they have wide range of phone collection too. If you are looking to buy any phones or accessories, then I will suggest you guys to visit Prime Sale and talk with Mohammed. He will surely give you the best deal.